Hi everyone, I'm Christina, Chief Creative Officer at Squirrly, and today we're going to talk about Google Analytics Tracker. So what is it? It is a powerful tool offered by Google to track and analyze website traffic and user behavior. It provides valuable insights into how users interact with your website, helping you make informed decisions and optimize performance. Why is it important? It will help you understand your audience. You will get insights into who your visitors are, where they are from, and what they're interested in. It will help you improve user experience. You will be able to identify which pages are popular, where users drop off, and optimize your websites accordingly. You will be able to measure marketing efforts, track the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns from social media to email newsletters. You will be able to make data-driven decisions. With accurate data at your fingertips, you can make informed decisions to grow your online presence. So what are the key features of Google Analytics Tracker with Squirrly SEO? It offers an easy integration. Add Google Analytics Tracker directly through Squirrly SEO plugin. It is a very simple setup. No need to add tracking codes to your website's HTML. You will be able to monitor website traffic and user behavior alongside your SEO efforts. And let's not forget, you will be able to access detailed analytics to optimize your content and marketing strategies. So, how do you add Google Analytics Tracker with Squirrly SEO? The connection with Google Analytics enables us to show you must-know insights related to your website's performance, such as website traffic, page views, bounce rate, time on page, and much more. The connection with Google Analytics can easily be enabled as long as you already have a Google Analytics account, and that account is already connected to Squirrly SEO. All you have to do is go to Squirrly SEO settings, SEO configuration, connect tool, and place trackers. Then you will just have to press a button and Squirrly SEO will automatically add the tracking code to your website. Let me show you how. For this particular example, we are going to use this website. So let's go to Squirrly SEO, to SEO configuration, to connect tools, to place trackers, and over here, all we have to do is click on this button, get Google Analytics code. Let's click on it, and Squirrly SEO will get the code for us. Now we just have to save settings, and we are all set. As you can see, it's really easy. All you have to do is click one button. So by understanding your audience, optimizing your content, and tracking your SEO efforts, you can achieve greater online success. Now we are at the end of our presentation. Thank you for being here. I'm Christina Coroiu, Chief Creative Officer at Squirrly. Don't forget, setting up Google Analytics tracking is your pathway to understanding your audience and enhancing your digital presence. Keep tracking, keep optimizing, and stay ahead of the curve. Until next time.